Hello friends, welcome to my channel again. If you are new, so please like, subscribe and share my videos more and more. So now let's move on content. As first we have discussed the experiment of algae. Now today we are going to represent the experiments of fungus. So let's move on experiments. Our first experiment is on topic phytophthora. Disease of phytophthora is late blight of potato. Causal organism Phytophthora infestans. Host Solanum tuberosum and symptoms we have discussed. Then in last we have discussed the hints for collection. Here classification of Phytophthora. Eumycota, Mastigomycotina, Oomycetes, Perinospores, Phythiaceae and Phytophthora. Symptoms of late blight of potato is represented by diagram and Phytophthora infestans vs potato leaf with mycelium, sporangium and sporogonium is described with the help of diagram representation. Our next topic of fungi experiment is mucor. Common name of mucor is bread mold or black mold. Causal organism is Mucor mucoida and host is bread. Some comments we have written here. Classification of mucor is Eumycota, Zygomycotina, Zygomycetes, Mucorales, Mucoraceae and mucor. Here the diagrammatic view is being represented. Third experiment of fungi is on topic penicillium. Common name of penicillium is blue-green mold. Host is decaying food, plant and animal remains and some comments are being written here. The diagrammatic view is being represented here. Classification of penicillium is Eumycota, Ascomycotina, Plactomycetes, Aspergillus, Aspergilliaceae and Penicillium. Here, mycelium with asexual reproduction structure conidiophore is being represented and conidiophore bearing conidia. Our next topic of fungi is agaricus. Scientific name is agaricus. Common name is mushroom. Some comments we have written. Then we have written about basidiocarp, gills. The classification of agaricus is Eumycota, Basidiomycotina, Hymenomycetes, Agaricales, Agaricaceae and Agaricus. Here basidiocarp near maturity is being represented with the help of diagram and mature basidiocarp is also being described. Some comments about type and hints for collection. All the species are obligate saprophytic. They grow on wooden logs, dung piles and most places rich in humus. With the help of diagrammatic view, part of undersurface of pileus showing arrangement of gills. The next diagram is about section of gills. Then agaricus LS of type is being represented here. Our next topic is Puccinia. Disease caused is stem rust या leaf rust. Two hosts are present in Puccinia. Primary host is barley or wheat. Scientific name is Triticum aestivum. Secondary host is Barbaris vulgaris. Here some comments we have written and uridostase is being the diagrammatic view is being represented here. Symptoms of black stem rust on wheat, Uridinia and Tilia. Puccinia section of infected wheat leaf through Uridosaurus. Classification of Puccinia is Eumycota, Basidiomycotina, Teleomycetes, Urodiales, Pucciniaceae and Puccinia. Next stage is as teleal stage. We have written some comments and pycnidial stage 5 comments we have written. Acidial stage also we have written here. The diagrammatic view. Puccinia section of infected wheat leaf through teleospores. and section of infected barberry leaves showing pycnidium and ascidial cups on upper and lower epidermis respectively. Here hints for collection. All grow parasitically causing disease called rust on plants such as wheat, barley, oats and linseed etc. Here by diagrammatic view, symptoms of black stem rust on barberry, pycnidium on upper surface of leaf and ascia on lower surface of leaf is represented. Our next topic is coletotrichum. Disease caused by coletotrichum is red rot of sugarcane. Common name of disease is anthracnose. Host is sugarcane and causal organism is coletotrichum phylactum. Some comments we have written here. By diagrammatic view, symptoms of red root of sugarcane we have represented and coletotrichum vertical section of acervillus conidiophore and germinating conidia is represented. Classification of coletotrichum is Eumycota, Deuteromycotina, Coleomycetes, Melanconiaceae and Coletotrichum. Our next topic experiment is on lichen. Crustose lichen and internal structure. Then second type of lichen is foliose lichen. Its internal structure is being written. Here we have represented the diagrammatic view of crustose lichen and foliose lichen with apothecia. Section of foliose lichen heteromerous and section of foliose lichen heteromerous thallus. Here the internal structure is represented very clearly. Third type of lichen is fruticose lichen. Its internal structure we have discussed and hints for collection. The usual habitat of lichen are decaying wood, branches, leaves, tree bark, soils rich in humus, rocks, etc. Here, by diagrammatic view, fruticose lichen and section of fruticose lichen is being discussed. This was the last experiment of fungi. So, we will meet in next video. Up to then, bye everyone.